Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So, the folks at Humble Bundle have yet again released an interesting set of bundles that will be very beneficial to both 2D and 3D artists. And one of the most recent one that they've just announced is in partnership with the folks at Kitbash 3D. And this is the Urban Life that comes with 500 plus assets, and this bundle includes 18 interesting items that you can now use to create amazing looking worlds. By default, all of these items are supposed to be priced at £1,174.53, but you'll be getting these for about £22.30 for all 18 items, and these items includes the apartment interior kit, which comes with over 299 high quality detailed assets, 537 textures, and 1334 meshes. And with this you can start creating interesting interiors and style them however you choose. At the same time, we've also got the retail stores, and with the retail store you can now create your very own bespoke retail store for both games, films, and also animation, as this comes with 160 high quality assets, 650 textures, and 844 meshes to work with. And the same thing can also be said for the police department, as this is pretty cool for those who are thinking about creating interrogation rooms, jail cells, and so on, as this comes with 108 assets, 620 textures with 390 meshes. Texture size ranges from 1K all the way to 4K, and all of these can be used in both Unreal Engine, Blender, Houdini, Cinema 4D, Autodesk Maya, and 3D Studio Max, Unity, and so on and so forth. You've also got different essential vehicle types, which includes a mid-size SUV, a station wagon, a compact city car, a delivery truck, armored truck, taxi cab, school bus, police cruiser, dump truck, loader, the forklift, city bus, sports car, box truck, and also a sedan. And all of these are currently available, and you can simply come through, pick them up, and use them in all of those DCC tools that we mentioned earlier. And along the path of 3D models that you can work with, another interesting asset pack which is currently available with Humble Bundle is the Open World Adventure Kit. And this is more of an Unreal Engine asset pack that comes in very handy, and this bundle contains 88 items, and this by default is currently sold at £1,943.24, but you'll be getting this for £18.60. And this comprises of the CC subway train terminal, which is amazing, and you've also got the City subway train modular system, and of course the City subway tunnel, which is pretty useful for those who are thinking about creating subway scenes. Amongst the other items that you'll be getting from here includes a ton of vegetation and foliage tools, job site assets, which includes job site volume 1 all the way to volume 12. So you've got the one for farm, modular storage supply, postal service. There's also some interesting town buildings that you can also get right here, some small structures, the sign gauges, vehicle volume 10, and also vehicle volume 11. And we've also got buildings volume 12, 13, 15, and so on. There's also some interesting store volumes and scan volumes that are also available right here. So depending on what you're trying to create, there is a ton of things that you can grab with the Open World Adventure Kit from the folks at Decagon. And just like we've mentioned with previous stuff that has to do with Humble Bundle, a portion of whatever you use in purchasing any of these bundles get donated to charity. And the same thing can also be said for every other bundle that exists. And we've also mentioned a couple of other bundles, which includes the pre-animation bundle for 2D creators. So if you're into 2D animation and you're looking for an amazing tool that you can use for creating your very own 2D animations, a one-time tool that you can totally get for yourself and work with alongside the character pack and also the brush pack, then the ProMotion bundle that offers Moho Pro version 12.5 is currently available. So this offers both the character content pack, Moho 12 itself, 100 brushes that you can work with, and you've also got the school days content pack, which comes with a good number of tools that you can work with. I personally have used Moho previously, and I can tell you for free that this is an amazing 2D animation tool that you can work with. All of this would be costing you about £368.92, but because this is Humble Bundle, but you'll be getting this for £18.24. And that's not all. And if you're into design, you possibly may have heard about CorelDraw. And CorelDraw is an amazing tool for those who are into vector design and possibly you want to do some technical designs as well. CorelDraw actually has a ton of features that most vector tools do not have. And with this bundle, you're getting even more, as you're getting the CorelDraw Graphics Suite 2024, which is a recent version of CorelDraw. And you've also got CorelDraw for both Mac and Windows, which is super amazing. And you've also got the Corel Font Manager, Capture, and the Corel Photo Paint. And this is super useful for those who are into painting. Possibly you're looking for a nice tool that you can work with then you can go ahead and check it out. This manages your font, while the capture allows you to simply capture your screen and edit that on the go. It's a very interesting pack that you should definitely check out if you're into vectors, or maybe you're looking for a one-time tool that can definitely solve all of your vector creation stuff. CorelDraw is extremely robust, and it's a very impressive tool that I will definitely recommend anytime and any day. This by default is going for 413.34, but you'll be getting this for about 52 with this bundle from the folks at Humble Bundle. And for the 2D side of things, there's even more stuff, because the Ultimate Fantasy 2D and Audio Bundle is currently available, and this comes with an interesting set of 2D kits that you can work with for those who are into 2D game design, or maybe you're looking for 2D assets that you can use to create a mock-up of a specific game that you're trying to develop, as this comes with both characters, effects, and a ton of other things. There's also a good number of audio sounds that you'll be getting from this, and you also get a 15% off coupon for those who like to purchase anything from Game Dev Market, as this is a coupon that is currently available with this bundle. So you're not just getting all of the cool things that comes with this bundle, but you're also getting a coupon code that you can use afterwards. So whether you're thinking about a fantasy soundtrack, or maybe you're thinking about fantasy ambience, or possibly you're just looking for an RPG music, then the 100 game soundtrack collection, which is currently available with this bundle, might actually come in very handy for you. And speaking about audio, let's take a look at the Audio Odyssey Volume 2 from Ovani Sounds. And this is an interesting one, which we've already talked about previously. This bundle comes with about 32 items, and these items cuts across a ton of sound types that you might want to take a look at. So from the Anime Music Pack, Mutated Being Sound Effects, Orchestra Ambient Music Pack, Epic Music Pack, Hyper Action Music Pack, Magical Music Pack, Horror Music Pack, all of these are now available, and you can go ahead and grab them and use them in both your games, animations, and your films. And these do not just come with the music, this also comes with plugins that you can use in both Godot, Unreal Engine, and also Unity. At the same time, you'd also be getting some Foleys and some effect packs that you can work with. And all of these are now available for an extreme steal. All of these should be costing £978.77, but you'll be getting all of them for £14.73. And all 13 items are right here, and you can come through and check them out. And for those who are into developing, then the $1 Million Web Developer Bundle, which is a complete 100 hours deluxe bundle, is currently available. And these might come in very handy for those who are thinking about working with JavaScript, creating AI video apps, working with Llama, web app security, TensorFlow, maybe you're into Drupal, or possibly you're just thinking about creating web apps or becoming a full stack creator. There is a good number of things right here that can get you going. All 43 items within this bundle pack is going for £18.54 as against £647.50. So this is it. Tons of things are currently available right here from the folks at Humble Bundle. There's also an interesting bundle for concept artists, which is currently available as well. Links to these alongside the complete data science developer bundle and learning programming in 2025 mega bundle link is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. So this is it. A couple of these will be right now pretty soon, and just in case you like to grab any of them, this might just be the right time for you to come through and grab them while offer lasts. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.